Hey yo everybody, Ian from the EDC Conquest here with another unboxing video. But before we get into the unboxing, which will be a very exciting unboxing today, I have a couple of announcements. We have some awesome shirts that I just got shipped in right here. Got some black t-shirts with the EDC Conquest logo and the slogan, always forward. So we got some of these shirts ready to go, just a small batch, and I don't have a website set up yet, but we will be working on that so that I can be able to cater to those who would want to order them online. That'll be a thing you can do in the future. But right now it's all in-person purchases for the t-shirts, and I am also working on ordering stickers that should be here in the near future as well. So without further ado, another package from Blade HQ. We have this package, which is very exciting to me because this was a very special knife that I've wanted for quite a while now. I ordered this knife much earlier this year and finally am doing an unboxing video. So this was kind of my Grail knife, like one of the super cool knives that I had on my wish list, on the feature on Blade HQ's website. And this was an online order only, as in you cannot buy these in person. You can only buy them online, and Blade HQ is the only place I know that had these in stock. So this is a very special knife, and I've been in possession of this package since June of this year. You can literally see right there, the ship date was June 25th of this year, 2025. So it has been quite a while that I've been holding on to this. It's completely unopened. I have not looked in here ahead of time. I always try to achieve that authenticity. So the first time you are seeing me unbox it is the first time I'm seeing it as well. And yeah, so I'm very excited. So without further ado, we are going to open up the package, and we'll be using this guy right here. This is a MKM Pocket Tango. This was I did another video on this knife previously, so this was an unboxing I did not too long ago, but we're gonna use this knife to unbox this other knife. So, oh yeah. All right, guys, this is very exciting. So, let's get rid of the paper. We have the knife and the sticker. This was during their No Forks Allowed campaign. So, abso-forking-lutely not. So you can imagine what that is trying to say in a nice way. So their Zero Forks campaign is they give 0 forks about knife restrictions and things. So this is one of the stickers that that was there during the campaign thing they had going on. So that's cool. But the main thing right here is the Jackwolf knife, my very first Jackwolf knife. So this is really exciting. So I want to open it up. Let us see what is inside. And yes, wow, look at it. Look at that. The Primo Jack. One of the coolest knives, in my opinion, that they make. Yeah, so if you want an unboxing experience, Jackwolf Knives really knows how to deliver. So you get a whole case for it, and they come with pogs. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with pogs. I did no idea what those were until semi-recently. I believe Zach in the Wild had some content where he was talking about pogs semi-recently, but they're like trading collectibles, things that were like really, really popular at one point. So yeah, they all have their own pog. So that's kind of cool, knife company that does that. But let's get into the blade itself. Ooh, there's a bunch of other stuff in here actually. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. We got some other stickers and things that I cannot seem to get out. There we go. Got a couple of Jack Wolf knife stickers. Looks like some kind of replacement hardware for the knife. And then I think that's just foam at the bottom. Nope. Yep, just foam. Oh, cool. Look at that. Anyways, let's get into the knife itself. Very cool. Move some stuff out of the way, give us a little room. Now for the big reveal. Oh yeah, buddy. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. I'm speechless right now. So this was my Grail for a very, very long time. If you're not familiar with Jack Wolf, they do a lot of really premium knives that are slip joints. But recently, they have also gotten into the frame lock realm as well. And this is a titanium frame lock knife. And that's kind of the standard for premium knives. Oh snap, that is absolutely incredible. Wow, that is nice. And we can front flip it. Look at that. So it's got that little fuller in the blade. So you can two-hand it, or you can use the front flipper at the top. Whoa, front flippers are tricky, guys. There we go, I did it. So this is a very premium knife with like a gray wash titanium bolster and liners in one, with a dark matter carbon fiber with like a gold weave for the overlays here. And yeah, gold coated titanium hardware. I don't know if the screws and everything are titanium, but I believe this back spacer is, and I know the clip, the pocket clip, is also made of milled titanium. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, so this is a S90V blade. So this thing was highly known for edge retention. So this thing is going to stay sharp like darn near forever. So, oh my goodness, that is incredible. Absolutely incredible. And that nice clip point blade with that nice subtle swedging and the nice full flat grind. Excellently mirrored bevels. Just beautiful edge on that thing. Absolutely beautiful. Wonderful piece of craftsmanship with the S90V blade. Oh yeah. That truly an incredible masterpiece. What I want to know is what this is for. Oh, I bet if you take the pocket clip off, this is like an insert that fills the space of the pocket clip. So you can, if you wanted to carry it in like a slip or a pouch or loose, like in a pocket, you can take the clip off and do it that way as well. I probably won't, but that is just the probably what that's for, unless it's part of the lock interface, which it is not. But it does have like a nice solid lock up there. You got beautiful sounding action on this incredible piece of craftsmanship right here. Wow, that is crazy. So the Jack Wolf knives are, the reputation precedes them. This is absolutely an incredible knife. And I am going to see how it cuts. But we have a piece of paper here, and we're gonna see how it cuts. And to the surprise of absolutely nobody, this is a freaking laser beam. This is a laser beam of a knife. Absolutely incredible. Let's see how good it shaves. Yep. Zero surprise there. Wow. That is incredibly freaking sharp. Like, you thought you felt sharp before? Thin grind S90V premium knife here. That is absolutely incredible. Very, very impressive. Well done, Jack Wolf. Very, very well done. I am thoroughly impressed, and the unboxing with their custom tins that they keep all their knives in, with the POG, the stickers, extra hardware, everything. Absolutely wonderful presentation. That is what we like to see from knife companies. So yeah, excellent gents knife for bougie carry. Very, very nice. So yeah, I will most likely not have a link to this, as it is very much a rare item that is hard to get. So I will not have a link to this in the description. However, in the description, I will have links to my other videos and other unboxings where I go over my Pocket Tango, as well as the knives that are in the most recent unboxing, which is the Recon Tonto, as well as something else like that. Watch the video to see what those are. And then, yeah, so I will have those links listed below. Thank you for watching. This is a absolutely incredible knife that I've been waiting very, very long to show all of you, and also see firsthand myself. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are about this knife in the comment section. And if you own not just this one, but any Jack Wolf knife, how has it been performing for you? Or is this your Jack Wolf a safe queen that you don't carry? So let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching, guys. More content coming soon. Stay tuned for my Blade Show West coverage and pocket checks. And yeah, hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Remember to keep it real, stay sharp, and always be moving forward. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Peace!